Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Webtoon sign up not working. If you can't sign up on Webtoon, here's how to fix it fast. And the first step is check internet connection. Make sure your internet is connecting or not. If your internet is not connecting, then that might be problem for the app, and a weak connection often causes for sign up errors. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart the app or restart the phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, and this helps remove small box and apps. And you also close to open an app completely and remove it from recent app. And the only step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, go to your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app, then tap on update option if it is available. If you update, if sometime old version may not work properly. After updating, click on after updating. And the other step is clearing app cache. Clearing app cache can fix many problems. For the app clearing app cache, go to your phone setting, then go to your app management or apps, click on app list or apps, then search for the app, then tap on storage and cache, click clear cache. After doing that, this helps temporarily files causing problems. So the only step is use a different sign up method. Try sign up with, and the last step is use a different sign up method. For the sign up, open the app, and after opening the app, trying with use a different sign up for method, and here you will see the many options like last logging with Google, continuing with email, or continuing with Facebook. Sometimes one method works better than another, and that's how you can fix Webtoon app sign up not working. And thank you for watching this